Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum with the 708 package. Now the exterior color is a shadow black, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic select shift transmission. And at the front we have our LED high and low beam headlamps, as well as our LED daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps with 2 tow hooks, as well as we have our engine block heater, and over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our all-terrain tires, as well as we have our retractable running boards, our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles, as well as we have the privacy tinted windows in the rear, and a beautiful dual panel moonroof on top. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as our hitch. We also have our spare 5th wheel and reverse sensors paired to our backup camera. We also have our LED tail lights, and inside the tailgate we have a tailgate step, and inside the box we have a spray and bed liner with our LED lighting and tie-down points. And at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior of the Platinum, there's so many great features, including tons of door storage, ambient lighting, as well as power locks with memory seating options for the driver, power windows, power adjustable and foldable mirrors. And these mirrors also have blind spot information system detectors inside. And over at our steering column we have our LED lighting for under our mirrors, as well as our automatic headlamp dial. And on our fully telescopic steering wheel we have our information trackpad, which displays on the dash cluster, as well as our cruise control settings. And over to the right we have our hands-free and our entertainment and media controls. And as we look up we have our auto dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights and our 3 garage door opener points and the beautiful panoramic moonroof. And as we look we have our platinum embroidering with our leather seating. The driver and passenger can both enjoy a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. As we look ahead, we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, including a heated steering wheel, phone connectivity, and hands-free voice activation navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And we also have our front-facing camera as well, which displays on our Sync 3 screen. And underneath we have our dual climate control area, which includes air-conditioned and heated seat for both driver and passenger. And underneath we have our smart charging USB ports. And at our console shift we have our manual select shift mode, which includes 10 different speeds. And just behind we have our lane departure and our park assist. And we have ambient lighting under our cup holders. And as well as our center console, we have 2 more cup holders in the rear, and there's tons of storage underneath and lots of comfort on top. At the rear, passengers have tons of door storage, as well as more ambient lighting and power windows. And as you look at the rear of the center seat, the driver's seat, we have our storage, as well as more storage in the rear of the passenger. And at the back of the center console we have a 12-volt adapter with dual heated seats on the left and right side of the rear, as well as 2 USB ports and an AC outlet. And as we look at our 60/40 bench seat arrangement, there's tons of legroom, as well as lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have, and would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.